Welcome. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to disable the use of Launchpad in Discord. This updated guide walks you step by step through the process so you can turn it off in just a few seconds. Whether you want to tidy up your app settings or just want a cleaner experience, this guide's got you covered. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your device. Once you're in, head down to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. This will open your user settings menu where you'll find all the options to adjust how Discord works for you. Next, tap on the settings icon. It's where you can customize everything from your display preferences to advanced app behaviors. Take a moment to let the settings fully load so everything shows up smoothly. Now, scroll down until you see the section labeled Advanced. This is where all the deeper configuration options live. Tap Advanced and you'll be one step closer to turning off the Launchpad feature. Once you've opened the advanced settings, scroll down again until you find the option marked Launchpad. This feature is often used to quickly access certain parts of Discord or linked activities, but not everyone finds it useful. If you prefer to keep your interface simple and distraction-free, disabling it is the way to go. When you find Launchpad, simply tap on the option that says Disable. That's it. You've successfully turned off the Launchpad feature in Discord. From now on, it won't pop up or run automatically when you're using the app. To double check, you can back out to your main settings screen or restart Discord.